Hi everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. I love cooking and eating food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hearty vegetable soup using shiokoji. It's been super hot and humid here in Tokyo, and this gentle soup is perfect for my tired body. This soup is also great when I want to just use up all the leftover veggies that I don't really know what to do with. It's super delicious and good for you. So let's dive in. For this, you need a lot of vegetables. These are what I'm using today, but use any kind you like. I also like to use some sausages or bacon for more flavor and texture, but you can omit the meat if you want to. I also like to use some ginger and garlic. Especially ginger adds a really nice flavor to this soup, but they are optional as well. Chop up all the ingredients into small pieces. And of course, you need shiokoji. We're going to use it in place of salt. Shiokoji is salty, but also has umami and sweetness. You can make this at home or buy the product. I like using this product by Marukome. I'll put the links in the description for you. You also need some soup stock. Today I'm using consomme granules and dashi powder. Yes, I'm going to use both of them. Believe it or not, they go really well together. This dashi powder is a mixture of dried bonito, shiitake mushroom, and kelp. But use any kind of soup stock you like. You can use liquid type as well. Try to use soup stock that contains little to no salt because we will be seasoning the soup with shiokoji. Alright, we have all the ingredients ready now, so let's start cooking. In a large pot, add water, soup stock, ginger and garlic, and all the vegetables and meat. Turn on the heat to medium and cover with a lid. 5 minutes have passed and the vegetables have already wilted. Give it a good stir and mix all the ingredients. Cover with the lid again and let it cook for about 10 more minutes or until the vegetables are translucent but not mushy. Now I've cooked for about 10 more minutes and the vegetables are translucent but not mushy. If you are in a hurry, you can cook it a bit more and finish it up by seasoning it with shiokoji and black pepper. The soup will come out absolutely delicious. But if you are making this ahead of time, you can do what I'm going to show you next. I'm going to do something to make use of the magical power of the enzymes in shiokoji to make the soup extra delicious. So I stop the heat now and cover it with the lid. And I'm going to let it cool down for about an hour or until the soup is below 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This will prevent killing the enzymes in shiokoji once we add it in. Now the soup has cooled enough, I'm going to add some shiokoji. The magical power of the enzymes in shiokoji is that they will break down the vegetables and meat to create umami and sweetness from them. So by using shiokoji in place of salt, we can add so much more flavor than just saltiness. We don't need to fully season yet, so go easy on the amount of shiokoji you are adding. Here I added 3 tablespoons. After stirring, cover it with the lid and let it sit for about an hour or longer and let shiokoji do its magic. If you're going to let it sit for hours, keep it in the fridge so it doesn't go bad. Alright, the soup has gotten a nice long rest while shiokoji created lots of flavor in the soup. It's time for us to finish it up. You can add some water to make it as soupy as you like. Then add black pepper to taste and turn on the heat. Check the flavor and see if it's seasoned enough. If not, add some more shiokoji to your taste. I added a total of 3 more tablespoons. Give it a final stir, and it's ready to serve. This soup may look plain, but it was bursting with flavors. There was a lot of umami and sweetness from shiokoji and the ingredients, as well as the deep flavor from the stock. And the ginger added a really nice accent to the soup. It was absolutely delicious. I hope you will give it a try and let me know how it went. I think you will love this soup. And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amount and more details about this recipe. I will put the links to the recipe and some of the ingredients in the description. See you soon and have a nice day!